Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download and install GCam on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, tap on download now. Then tap on Google Camera 9.6. And from here, just tap on download for Samsung phones. And on this page, just tap on download link. Then tap on open. From here, just tap on settings, then enable this toggle. After that, just select install, then tap on open. Now just give this app these permissions. And as you can see, we have successfully installed GCam on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can download and install GCam on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.